Welcome to the world's highest tech prison, a facility where security is not just a priority, but an obsession. This prison, bristling with cutting-edge technology, is equipped with over 1,700 cameras, ensuring every inch of the facility is under constant surveillance. In some rooms and lobbies, a dozen or more cameras capture every possible angle, leaving no blind spots for anything to escape the watchful eyes of the security team. One of the most sophisticated security features in this prison is the airlock system. These rooms only allow one door to be opened at a time, effectively preventing any attempt to force an escape. But technology isn't the only line of defense. The physical structure itself is imposing, with fences towering over 5 meters high, reinforced with sheeting to eliminate any chance of climbing. Movement within the facility is tightly controlled, with intercoms and remotely operated doors, ensuring that only authorized individuals can pass through. Security doesn't stop at the perimeter, either. The prison has developed comprehensive strategies to prevent contraband from entering, with drug-sniffing dogs playing a crucial role. These dogs, despite being a low-tech solution, are incredibly effective at detecting illicit substances. And if anyone were to attempt an escape, they'd face a relentless pursuit. The prison employs enterprise-level DJI drones equipped with thermal cameras to monitor evolving situations like escape attempts, making it nearly impossible to slip away unnoticed. While the prison is a fortress, it's also a place for rehabilitation. One of the most reassuring aspects of its technological prowess is found in its workshops. These spaces double as training facilities, designed to equip inmates with skills they can use as they approach the end of their sentences, providing them with a pathway to a more positive future. In this way, the prison balances its high-tech security measures with a commitment to rehabilitation, offering a glimpse of hope amidst the walls. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to Daily Technologies for more videos like this one.